Hello! So today's vlog is a little bit different than a normal vlog, and basically it's entirely made by James. Now you might remember from our Go Henry vlog that I'll put a link to up there, James was saving up for a phone, and he's been saving up for a couple of months now, and he actually hit the target that he wanted, and he bought himself a new phone, and he actually asked if he could film an unboxing video. So I set up the cameras and stuff behind me and just let him get on with it. So what you're about to see is what he filmed. Obviously he's only little, so please be nice and kind in the comments, and you know, give the video a thumbs up. But yeah, don't be a knob, because he's only tiny and it's the first time he's ever made anything like this on his own. So enough waffle from me. Let's hand over to the main man, James, who is going to be sitting behind me now.
Hello everybody, this is me, James, and today I am going to be unboxing a Galaxy A32 5G, and I have saved up, and yes, I'm going to show it to you. So we're going to open. Intense. So you got your Samsung thing. I want to see what's inside here first, if there's anything. Oh. Okay, there's some sort of like starting guide, and it's like about how to use it. So that's pretty cool. We're going to get onto the phone later. So we're going to. So voila, this is going to be used later. So we're going to put that there for now. Oh, so we have got a charging wire. So it needs a bit like bending, but it'll be stretched out. So yeah, because it's been in the packaging for a while, it needs some time to get to shape, but. Oh, what's this? Oh, yes. What? No. So we got a charging brick. So, voila. So I'll show you. Oh. But yeah, so I've saved up for a while and I'm really excited. So we got my little SIM ejector, and the thing that I have been waiting for, and probably you have, the phone. So satisfying. So much packaging. Okay, so there's a lot of like pills, what I'm gonna do because it's so satisfying. I don't know if you can see, but that was satisfying. If you don't call that satisfying, I do not know what you would call satisfying. So of course it's not got any charge, but oh, there's a bit of plastic down here. Okay, so you're going to see where the ends peel. Comment it down below if you have this phone, because I'm wondering who has this phone. It is in my hands. Is there a screen or something? So we got the charging. Whoops, wrong way. So we've got that there. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and for now it is game over.